Welcome back to the channel, and I'm finna go up here to the new buddy, but wait, ain't so new no more. But I've been forgetting about this. Just finna go up here to the car wash. Hey, what you staring at, Granny? You don't wanna get your car stolen with a phone charger, not me. But I'm just gonna go up here, and I really wanna go to a hand wash, but yeah, I've been hearing that noise after that Vanny hit. But Pocket's kind of funny right now. Plus, I got other things to do. You know, hand wash gonna be like 25 bucks over here. You know, probably everywhere. You know, that went up. Last time I was at a hand wash was back in 21 when I had my other black pack. And then I'm like, man, I can get a monthly pass. You know, stuff like that. So, I ain't been to the hand washing, what, 3 years now. So I'm pretty sure prices that went up then since then. You know, but yes. And that way I know that they get this salt off. You know, because I'm gonna still have to do some white, you know. You're gonna have to do some wiping regardless, but I'm gonna have to do some extra wiping, you know, and stuff like that, you know. So it's all good. It's all good. You know, like get clean. Yeah, them buses are tight. Them 08, 09 option flying, rusting out. Carbon steel front frames is eating away. But yeah, so that's what I'm finna do. Get up here and I'm gonna get around half of y'all. Kids get ready to get out of school, and some of y'all finna double park and hold up traffic. Exactly. I knew it. The damn Silver Traverse, not Silver Traverse. There's another car that was leaked that was in the pack. That motherfucker just double part holding up traffic now. I knew it. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is get cleaned up. Oh, this car wash. Nice. That's nice. Damn. This one kind of look like the one on 95th. Neutral. Yeah. Getting salt. Like my mini, I can't see. Damn, barely. Oh, it still say rain. well, I can see. Damn, this one ain't much fun. The other ones I can't see. Man, these brushes are aggressive as fuck. These aggressive brushes. They definitely slapping the hell out of the car. Yeah. Look a whole lot better. And I still can't believe it. This paint, it's just like glass, except for the bruise from the Vinny. But man, that paint look terrific. And got it cleaned up, just shined up, and here go the tire shine I use. You know, pause it, whatever, screenshot it, screen record it, whatever. Man, now go ahead and warm up some.